This tutorial shows you how to prevent accidental purchases and secure your device from unwanted transactions. First, open the Google Play Store application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the Play Store homepage with various apps and games. Following that, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Now, a menu will appear with different account options. Moving forward, tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Afterwards, scroll down and tap on Authentication to access purchase settings. In addition to that, tap on Require Authentication for purchases. Once you're on this page, you'll see different authentication options. Subsequently, select for all purchases through Google Play on this device. Moreover, this will require password or biometric authentication for every purchase. Afterwards, tap on Save or OK to confirm your selection. Then go back to Settings and look for Parental Controls. Within this section, tap on Parental Controls to set up additional restrictions. Alternatively, toggle on the switch to enable parental controls. Once parental controls are enabled, create a PIN code for access. Then scroll down and tap on Apps and Games to set content restrictions. Afterwards, adjust the rating level to restrict in-app purchases based on age. Then every purchase attempt will now require authentication, preventing accidental or unauthorized transactions. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you disable in-app purchases on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.